Hi guys, welcome to this video where I will be showing you my shortcuts to work faster. We're not here to waste time, we're here to save time. So here is the first usable shortcut. The first one is moving an object. To do so, we're going to press Ctrl-Shift-M after the object is selected. In this menu, you can select your transformation and then you can create a copy of the object, or you can just simply apply it to the object. Next up is a very important and time-saving shortcut. To repeat a transformation you've done earlier, you can use Ctrl or Command D. To show you how it works, we are applying the move transformation on the object again and create a copy. And to repeat it, we simply press Ctrl D. The reason why this is a shortcut to remember is that it can be applied to any transformation you have done and want to do again, like rotation, scaling and reflecting. The last shortcut to move and copy an object fast is to choose to increase the keyboard increment. To do so, we're going to press Ctrl K, which will open the Preferences menu. In the Preference menu, we're going to open up the General tab and select Keyboard Increment. The keyboard increment is the distance the object will move when you use the arrow keys. Now you see when we use the arrow keys, the object will take a bigger step than before. You can also hold Alt when using the arrow keys to make a duplicate of the object. Next up is number 4, grouping or ungrouping objects. The reason why we do this is so that we can treat multiple objects as one. Okay, so we start with creating multiple shapes. And then we select the shapes you want to group together. After the shapes are selected, we're going to press Ctrl or Command G. Now we can treat this combined shape as one. To ungroup the shapes, we simply press Ctrl-Shift-G or Command-Shift-G. Number 5, the Align panel. To toggle the Align panel, we press Shift F7. In the Align panel, we're going to click on the 3 horizontal bars and click on Show Options. In the right bottom, you see Align to. You have 3 options: Align to the selection, Align to the key object, or Align to the artboard. The most simple one is aligning to the artboard. To make it a bit more advanced, we're going to select Align to the key object. First, you have to select multiple objects you want to align. Then you click on Align to Key Object. The key object is the object that will maintain its position when aligning. To select it, just simply click on the object. And now the other objects will align to the key object. The last option we have is aligning to the selection. Select multiple objects and click on Align to Selection. What it means is that it will align in the full area of your selected objects. Keep in mind that a tutorial on the full options of the Align panel deserves a tutorial on its own, but to keep it short, these are the basics. Shortcut number 6, locking or unlocking objects. Accidentally selecting shapes in the background can be frustrating and take a lot of your time. To fix it, we're using Command or Ctrl 2, which will lock the selected objects into place. When you want to unlock the objects, you can press Ctrl-Alt-2 or Command-Option-2. Number 7, hiding objects. It is actually quite similar to locking the object, but instead of locking it, we're going to hide it. To hide it, we select the object you want to hide and press Ctrl or Command-3. To unhide it, we press Ctrl-Alt-3 or Command-Option-3. Number 8, copy and pasting the right way. Okay, so obviously copying the object is Ctrl or Command C. But when it comes to pasting, you have 3 options. The first and most used option is Ctrl V, but this will paste the object in the middle of your screen and not in the center of the copied object. To fix this, you must use Ctrl or Command F. This will paste it in front of the original. or you use Ctrl or Command B and this will paste it in the back of the original. So remember, V for the middle of your screen, F for the front and B for the back. The last shortcut is actually a bonus tip. You can use math in Illustrator so you don't have to get out your calculator. For example, we are using the rotate tool. Let's say I want to get exactly 8 pieces out of a full circle. Then what we do is we fill in a full circle, which is 360 degrees, and divide it by 8 pieces. And here you go, 8 pieces out of a full circle. And this is it for today. I want to thank you for watching and hope that you have learned some skill that you will actually use. You can check out my channel for more usable videos and don't forget to subscribe.